So once we have closed this template, we have to import this into the offline utility. The purpose of importing the Excel template to the offline utility is to generate the final output file, that is the JSON file. This JSON file will be imported and uploaded on the GST portal to file the final GSTR1 return. So let us open the offline utility. So here is the offline utility. Here we have to upload new invoice, other data for the return. So we have to click on new, then we have to select the GSTR1 or IFF, then the supplier's GSTIN, that is this financial year, then the period of return, that is June. Is the SEZ taxpayer? No. Is taxpayer quarterly return filer? No. Then is the aggregate turnover greater than 5 crores in the preceding financial year? Again, no. Then we will have to proceed. So this is the warning page. We have to click on yes, and then we have to import files. So we'll click on import files. Here we have import Excel. We can either import the entire Excel file here, or we can import the CSV of each table independently. So we will import the entire Excel file. So we are importing the entire Excel file. So the file is getting imported. So here we can see the file has been successfully imported, and now we can view the summary. So these details have been imported from the Excel template, that is the B2B invoices. These two B2B invoices we had, then B2C small. Under this also we had these two 5% and 18% rates invoices. Then HSN summary, we have one for B2B supplies, another for B2C supplies. Then we have document summary. We can also view the document summaries, document issued. Here we have the invoices, and here we have the credit notes we have issued. So all the segments have been successfully imported. Now we have to generate the JSON of this information so as to upload this on the GST portal. So let us generate file. We have to click on generate file. Here is the link to generate the JSON file. So we'll click here and we will click on save. Again we will save in this location only. So the file has been successfully saved now. So now that we have successfully generated the JSON file, we have to import this JSON file on the GST portal so as to file the final return. So let's log into a GST account. Here is the login page. We have to enter our username, then password, and then the CAPTCHA. Here. So here we can see both the returns, that is GSTR1 and GSTR3B, is yet to be filed for the month of June. So now let us import the JSON file that we have generated using the offline utility. We will have to select the financial year, then we have to select the quarter, then month, it's June, then search. Here we have prepare online option or prepare offline option. So under prepare online option, we have to enter all the data manually, whereas in the prepare offline option, we have the option to import the generated JSON file so that the entire GSTR one return gets prepared on its own. So let us choose a file. We have to choose the file. Here, the return has been processed without any error. So let us open the return now. Here we have GSTR 1 return. So let us see if the details that has been filled up by us has been properly imported or not. So in B2B invoices, we had 2 invoices. Both of them have been successfully imported here. Then we didn't had any B2C large invoices, that is exceeding rupees 1 lakh against interstate supplies. Then we didn't had any export invoices. We do had B2C invoices. So let us see these two rate wise invoices we have uploaded, that is 18% and 5%. The aggregate of those invoices falling under 18% was 11,32,056 rupees, against which taxes were 1,01,885 under each head. Similarly, under 5% slab, we had 6,360 rupees and 159 rupees taxes. Next, we had credit note and debit note. Here, we had one credit note. This is the credit note we had issued. Then we didn't had any unregistered credit note. Then we also didn't had any advance adjustment or advance receipts against which GST was applicable. Next we had HSN summary. Here, this one is B2B supplies HSN summary, right? So this is the HSN summary we had filled up. Here we can edit this. This is the detail of HSN we have filled in, that is EQC not applicable, total quantity also not applicable. Then taxable value. This taxable value is net of credit notes. Similarly, we will cancel this, and similarly we will see the B2C supplies HSN. Here we have B2C supplies HSN. We had two rates, 18% and 5%, against which the taxable value was 11,32,056 and 63,60. Next, we had the document issued section. We had raised invoices for outward supplies, that is from 9 to 16, that is 7, 0 cancelled, net issued 7. Similarly, we had issued credit note 1, only one credit note was issued during the period, so total number 1, cancelled 0 and net is 1. Again we will go back. Then once we have checked that all the details have been successfully imported in the respective tables, we have to generate the summary. So we need to generate summary. We will click on this tab. Your generate summary request has been received. Please check the status sometime by clicking on refresh to view the consolidated summary and file GSTR 1 return. So we will refresh this and we can see that the summary has been generated. We have to proceed to file or view the summary. Here is the summary. We will see the summary once. Here we have filled up the B2 B supplies details, against which table 4A is appearing here. Then 4B we didn't had anything. Then this is the B2C smalls or other services supplies that we have filled in. The amount is taxable value is 11,38,416, against which taxes are 1,02,044 rupees 4 paise under CGST and same amount under SGST. Then we didn't have any amendments. Here we had one credit note, so it is appearing in negative. We had one credit note. Next, we have filled up this HSN summary. So the total of HSN summary after netting off the credit notes comes to 12,28,897.6, against which taxes are 1,04,306.08, 1,04,306.08. So this is the bifurcation of HSN under B2B and B2C. So now at the bottom we will see total liability. So total liability is 12,28,897.6. The taxable value is this, and against which the liability is 1,04,306.08, 1,04,306.08. This value, or indeed this value, that is the taxable value and the tax amount must match with the HSN summary. So let us see if it is matching. The taxable value is 12,28,897.6, and in the HSN summary it is 12,28,897.6. Similarly, the IGST is 0 and CGST is 1,04,306.08. The same amount is appearing here, 1,04,306.08. So our summary is correct. Next we have to proceed to file the statement. We will click on file statement, and then we will just click on the declaration. We will select the proprietors or the signatory person, and we will file with this EBC by inserting the OTP. So this is how the GSTR 1 return is prepared using the offline utility and filed on the GST portal. So next we will see how GST return is filed using a third-party software. So we will have an example of filing of GSTR 1 return using Tally software, and afterwards we will see how GST return is filed using online preparation mode, that is by manual entry in the GST portal. So let's open Tally now. So this is the gateway of Tally, and learning Tally is a separate aspect, but we will learn how to generate a JSON using Tally. So first let us see what entries have been recorded in the sales voucher, that is what are the total sales during the month of June to be included in GSTR 1 return. So we have sales register for the month of June. So these are the 4 bills that are required to be included in GSTR 1 return. So basically Tally is a software in which day-to-day entries are done, and all the reports like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance and everything can be generated using Tally. So what is important here in Tally, that all the ledgers that have been created must contain the requisite parameters or the credentials that are necessary for generating the JSON. Like if there is a mismatch between the address and the corresponding GST number of the party, then GST won't be calculated and the return will not be generated. So let us proceed with the generation of JSON file. So here we have display more reports. Under display more reports we have statutory reports, Under statutory reports, we have GST reports. So here we have GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. So we will select GSTR 1 report. Under this, we have not uploaded, that is 4 invoices. The period is June 1st to 30th June, and this is the total value of B2B invoices, that is taxable value is 15,000. We have 4 invoices. These are the 4 invoices. The taxable value is 15,000. The CGST is 1350. SGST is 1350. Total tax amount is rupees 2700. Then we don't have many details to be filled up here. We do not have any B2C sales for the month. Then we have HSN summary. So here we have B2B HSN summaries. We do not have any B2C supplies, so we don't have any B2C HSN summary. Then we have document summary. Here we have 4 invoices have been issued. These 4. Next, we will see how to generate the JSON. So, to generate the JSON file, we have to press Alt plus E, that is export. Then here we have the option GST returns. Here is the summary of the GSTR 1 return for the month of June. Then we have an option export offline. This is the file format, that is JSON. Then export separate files for each section, no. Then folder path, we will configure the folder path. So we will select the folder path and we will paste it here. Then we will export here. So the JSON has been successfully generated. Now the rest of the process remains the same that we have done on the GST portal at the time of filing of GSTR 1 return using offline utility. So let us see. So let us move to the GST portal. Here. So first we have to again log in. Then we have to go to the return dashboard. Then we have to select the period June. Again we have to prepare offline. Here we have to choose the file. It has been processed. Then we have to go to the respective month, June. Then we have to open the return. Here we have 4 B2B invoices that we have in our tally. 2 against this GSTI and 2 against this GSTI. So let's go back. Then we have the HSN summary. We have only B2B HSN summary since we do not have any B2C sales. Then we have document summary. So let us now proceed to generate the summary. Here again we will generate the summary by clicking on generate summary option. Then we will refresh the page and here is the summary generated. So we have 15,000 in the B2B sales segment. Then we do not have any B2C sales, any amendments or any debit note, credit note. Then here's the HSN summary. So the HSN summary also reflects 15,000 as taxable value and 1350 as the CGST and SGST. So the total is matching, that is the taxable value is 15,000 here, and in the HSN summary also it is 15,000. The tax is 1350 here in HSN summary, and 1350 here in the total segment. So next we have to file the return. We will click on file return. We will use the EVC and we will submit the return. So this is how GST return is filed using the third party software, that is Tally software. So even other third party software also facilitates the filing of GST returns using the JSON generated by such software. So next we will see how to file GST returns online, that is how to prepare the return online by entering the details manually and file the GST return. So let us again log into the GST portal. Here we have a different client. So first we have to log in, then we have to go to the return dashboard. Then we'll select the period, that is June, and we will prepare the data online. Since we have only one invoice, so we will feed the data directly on the portal. So B2B invoices, here add a record. Here we have to fill up the GSTIN of the recipient. So let us fill the GSTIN. This we have saved in our master, that's why it is appearing here. Then the invoice number, it's simple 03. Then the invoice date, then total invoice value 2,03,550. Place of supply is Jharkhand, it is intrastate supply. Rate is 18%, so we will fill up the taxable value here. GST will be calculated automatically and we will save this record. Then we will go back. This record has been saved. Next, we do not have any B2C large invoices. We do not have any export invoice. We don't have any B2C invoice. We do not have any nil rated invoice. No debit note, no credit note, no advances, no advance adjustment. Then we have to fill up the HSN summary. So we have to fill up the HSN summary. Here the HSN is here. We have to enter this. Since this is service, we will write a description. Then we have to enter the total taxable value, that is, then the rate, that is 18%. IGST, it's not IGST, it's CGST and SGST. And we have to add this record. So this record has been added and we have to save this record. Next, we have to enter the document issued summary. Here we have only one tax invoice, so we will add only one tax invoice. From invoice number 03 to 03, total number issued 1, cancelled 0, so the net issued is 1. Again we have to save this record and then we will again generate the summary. Summary has been generated. Next, proceed to file. So we have the invoice appearing in the B2B column with corresponding taxes. Then we have the HSN summary in the B2B segment, and finally we have the total liability 170 to 500, taxes 15, 525, 15, 525. Then we will again file the statement using the EBC. Here we will accept the declaration and we will file with the EBC. So this is how GST return is prepared directly on the GST portal and filed online.